Good morning, happy campers. Here we are under a tarp because it was raining last night. And last night it's nice and sunny. And today we're going to Minecraft again. But first, let's go say hi to Leela and Sammy and her mom. Nice sunny day. Almost all packed up and ready to go. Rainy night last night, so we had the tarp up. And yeah. Bye bye, beautiful place, beautiful forest. Really nice staying in the forest outdoors again, because we've been getting invited here and there and there, and last night we got invited again. We're like, nope, it's raining. We're under the tarp. We're not closing the tarp. We're staying right here. And we also had our DMT ceremony in the rain, followed by a microdose ceremony, which was really fun. Really nice night. Really enjoyed meeting those guys and spending time with them. The pine cones here are just so cool. Like, look at the way this is shaped. Wow. But yeah, we're gonna go to Kirganga eventually. Kirganga is like the, you know, if Parvati Valley were a game, Kirganga would be end game, I guess. And we keep visiting different towns around Parvati Valley, which is cool. And today we're going to Manikaran. Apparently at the top of Manikaran there's some cool uncle who we're gonna go see. But first, let's go say hi to Leela and Sammy and Laura in the hippie forest village, eco-village. Alright, see you guys. Yeah, I was supposed to go that way. Oh, where do I go now? Just keep walking. Just keep walking. Just keep walking. Whoa, look at that big fallen tree.
Just eat 2 grams before for one person. And just like this, it's coming for me. But we share 1.8 for 2.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yes, you're welcome. Like, subscribe him. You like too much happy when subscriber coming.
Yeah.
Parvati River in Kasol. Isn't that cool? Lots of traffic of people walking today. And getting more subscribers, which is also cool.
इसलिए कि गंगा इसमें खीर है
And now here we are at the Kasol Hot Springs with our friends from yesterday. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Bob. And look at what I have here. I would do an underwater camp for you guys, except it's super hot. The water is like, let me show you. Yeah, and there's steam everywhere and like nice place. Using boiling hot water to clean my bong and enjoying my life in general. See you, take care. Here they go. Pashli! Pashli, Pashli. I don't like partying, too loud for me. I just like drugs. Can you tell me something worth living for?
Worth living for would be love, freedom, and unpredictability.
Unpredictability, alright.
would
And
say
you?
so.
Something worth
Then
living
you
for?
can live for yourself. Then
For
you
yourself.
can, like, be the person you want to be.
Nice. And you?
People, nature.
People, nature? Nice, nice. So nice to meet you guys.
You too, man.
Bye. Hey, someone stopped. Thank you. You going first? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my friend. What's your name?
Osho.
Osho. Thank you for picking me up today.
Okay.
And what makes you happy in life?
Traveling.
Traveling. Nice, nice. Where do you travel? Tell me, like in India, you go to Goa.
I have been everywhere in India.
Yeah.
Yes. So I like go Spiti Valley.
Yeah.
And Leh Ladakh.
Mm.
And sometime to see beaches also. Yes.
Did you ever think about moving to another state?
No.
No, you like it here.
Yeah, I like
Okay,
much.
okay, nice.
Yes.
How is it in the winter?
Winter. I also like winter here. Very few people. In winter you will get no crowd here.
No crowd.
Yes,
Okay,
very few
seasonal.
people. Yes, very few people Santi here. So yes, winter is also beautiful.
Nice. Very nice to meet you. Thank you again.
Yeah, same
Take
to
care,
you.
brother.
Nice to meet you two people, and best of journey to you.
Oh no, Shivaya.
Okay.
Bye bye. Take care. That was one hitchhike and we made it to our spot. We're gonna go see Shiva Planet now. Kazal? Один, два, три, четыре.
8, 10, 25.
Смотреть, смотреть!
Shiva Planet мы смотреть.
Shiva Planet?
Да, пойдем смотреть. Так звали,
Да?
И говорят, так звали, что не в силах отказаться.
Серьезно? Ебать! Смотреть, смотреть, come in! Would you look at that? Someone's washing their car in the river. And now let's go find Shiva Planet. Guys, I'm aware it's been a confusing day because my videos haven't been organized, but we're here in this room where we were invited to last night, Shiva Planet. I'll show you guys in the morning and explain more. Good night. Oh, it's still recording.